Hello, this is Michael, and today I'll be teaching you how to play The Sky is Crying by Gary BB Coleman. It's a nice 12-bar blues in the key of C minor, and you probably know this song by Stevie Ray Voughan, or the original artist who recorded the song, Elmore James. But I decided to go for Gary BB Coleman's version because it's nice and slow, and it's in the minor key as opposed to major key like Stevie Ray and Elmore James. So the song structure is very simple. It's 12-bar blues, and the cool thing about the song is the turnaround. So once we get there, you will see what I mean. So let's get started learning the song quickly. The original recording hasn't got actually any guitar, so that's probably why the lead guitar sounds so cool. But you know, most of us play guitar, so we would like to bring the guitar back to songs like that. So we're gonna try to do this very easy rhythm guitar part for this song. So the first chord is chord C minor 7, and so I put the first finger on fret 8, so I cross all 6 strings. Then I put my ring finger on fret 10, string 5, and that's my C minor. That's my C minor 7. It came from the this kind of minor version of this chord. Just a regular minor, so just lose your pinky, and there you have it. So that's what you want to hear. The next chord is called F minor 7. So you just move the same shape 1 string down, and you add your second finger on fret 9, string 2. So also very simple. So this is bar number 2. In bar number 3 and 4, you play chord 1 again. Then bar 5 and 6, you go back to chord 4. This one here. So bar 7 and 8, you go back to chord 1. Then bar 9, it would be chord G minor 7. Bar 10 would be F minor 7. And bar 11 would be chord 1 going to chord 4. Bar 12 would be chord 1 going to chord 5. So half measure of 1 to 4, half measure of 1 to 5. I think it's quite nice. It's kind of unusual, you don't hear it that often. Okay, so shall I play the song once? At least once, So let's see. So the first bar is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's only one bar because I'm in 12/8, so I'm counting to 6 twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bar 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bar 3. Bar 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bar 5, chord 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chord 1. So that's bar 7 and 8. Bar 9 is chord 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bar 10. Bar 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you could see, bar 11, chord 1 to 4. And bar 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to chord 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you start over and play basically for 9 minutes like the original version. Okay, so quick thing about the rhythm. I strike on 1 and 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first strum is kind of long, and I allow the strings to ring out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But on 4, I kind of cut it and mute it. So I kind of strum and quickly mute at the same time. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kind of chop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That sort of thing. There's another way of playing this song. You could play using arpeggio technique, which would be. So basically for chords that have 6 strings, you play the string 6, 5, 4, followed by 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, and that stands for 1 bar. And for chords 4 and 5, where the 6th string is not present, you just start on string number 5 and you go 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you just play that way, all the way through. So it sounds kind of cool. That sort of thing. So listen, I try to keep this lesson very quick. So I hope that you enjoyed this very quick lesson on how to play The Sky Is Crying by Gary BB Coleman. If you would like to see the lesson about how to play the licks from this song, post the comments under the video of this song, and I'll try to post the lesson as soon as it's possible. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick lesson, and I hope that we'll meet more often, especially if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you enjoyed this lesson, hit the subscribe and hit the bell button, because that way you'll be notified about the next upload. I'm trying to upload once a week. I usually upload on Thursdays, but I decided to just do it more often with this kind of more quick and easygoing setup, where I don't have to worry about the lights and everything in the background, whatever. I just turn the camera on and start teaching. Okay, so let me know what you think, and I appreciate your thumbs up and sharing and all that stuff. Okay, take care and all the best, and I'll see you soon. Cheers, bye.